think about my father when I go to sleep. We're out on a lake talking about life. Think about my mother, all the pain she's been through. She lost her dear mom and brother, got cancer too. How do you tell a story that's wrapped in thorns? Is there rest for the weary? A chance to be reborn? Is there hope for the suffering? Oh, light in the end, oh, I don't know anymore. Oh, I don't know anymore. When it's late at night and the moon's just right, my thoughts go howling, cursing at my door. I clench my fist, I bite my tongue. I say I love you, God, but it's never enough. How do you tell a story that's wrapped in thorns? Is there rest for the weary? New light in the morning. Is there hope for the suffering? Oh, light in the end, oh, I don't know anymore. Oh, I don't know when I wake up. I see a light poke through. There's a cardinal resting under the shade of a white pine tree. My mind goes quiet, my heart's at ease. Maybe there's something good out there for me. Oh, I don't know anymore. Oh, I don't know.